It drives continuous learning. Oh man, you know this is my baby right here. Because the reason why this is my baby, this is the reason why this is my infant right here before it became a toddler is because I go back to the story where I shared with you about Think and Grow Rich. Once I got introduced to that, I became obsessed. And when you're in a team of obsessiveness, meaning I remember Kobe used that when as he was building his company, and you get around the people that are obsessed with becoming great and understanding there's going to be trials and tribulations along the journey, but as long as we stick together as a team, as long as we make a decision, not a choice, as we're moving forward throughout this project, it doesn't matter what comes up against us. It doesn't matter what may or may not happen. All I know is I got your back, you got my back. Let's go. Let's make it happen. Let's make sure that everybody is on the same page. And now that we're on the same page, there's no stopping us. And so when there's no stopping us, it doesn't matter what outside noise says because it's going to be there. Those distractions are going to be there. But when you make that decision as a team collectively to say, listen, this is where we're going, this is what we're going to do. We're not going to let anyone get inside the circle of trust, and we're going to make sure that we are marching together effectively.